welcome to the KamadoSpace Assembly Guide. We're filming this in 2021, hence our face coverings. I'm here with Remus and Jordan Lee. Good morning.
Hello guys.
Your table will arrive on a pallet. The net weight is 190 kilos. We've wheeled this into the showroom this morning and we'll begin by unpacking all the boxes.
Yep. Shall we start?
Shall we start? We've unpacked all the cartons, takes about 5 minutes, 2 people. We're fortunate to do ours indoors, but as long as it's in flat level surface. In the kit you will have all the labelled fittings and screws and clips and bolts. Everything is labelled. What you will need to supply are your own tools. We've got some blocks of wood, a mallet, a crosshead screwdriver, 8mm Allen key, 4mm Allen key, and 2 10mm spanners. I've used our knifing before. This is the simple kit for your space table assembly. The casters and fittings. And we'll come on to these in more details later. These are the balloon control mechanisms, which will show you how adjustable they are as we install. Thank you.